Morning guys. Today we're going to talk about how to make a drawing file. This will be two separate videos, one on how to make the drawing file and get the orthographic projection on Inventor, and the second video will be about dimensioning your sketch or whatever you have orthographically projected. So the first thing we're going to do is, just like we start a part file, we're going to come up here to the drop down menu, and the easiest way is just to select drawing. Okay. Once we're in the drawing file, you can see that we have just a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper here. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we first need to place our shape. So we're going to come up to where it says Place Views and select Base. And that's going to bring up this box here, which has some different options. As you can see, we have orientation over here on the side. Our style, we always want to select hidden line style. View, you can keep the same, just at view 1. And for our scale, that can be changed, but for today we're just going to keep it at 1:1. So now we need to go ahead and pull out our object. You all will be making a drawing file of your keychain, but for today's example video, I'm just going to use our cube that we've made in the past. So you just select, in case you missed that, select the little magnifying glass there, and it's going to open up your saved items. And I'm going to select cube, you're going to select your keychain, and we'll select open. Just go ahead and hit yes on this box. It's just saying it may have a watermark, and what you see is you have your object right over here. You can change the orientation of your object sometimes depending on how you drew your object in Inventor. Just because the orientation is listed as the front view doesn't necessarily mean that it's the front view. So remember, our front view, it gives us the best shape of our object. We can see all of the parts, and it has the least hidden lines. In this case, this is a pretty good front view, so I'm going to stick with the one that's been given to me. And when I make sure everything else is all right, we've got 1:1, I'm on hidden line style, so we're good. I'm going to come down here and start and place the front view. I'm going to place it right here and just give it a click. And then my box will go away. So now what you can do is we need to place the top view and the side view. So I clicked once, and now I'm just going to move my mouse up, and it's going to give me the projection, or the projected top view. I'm going to put it about right there. I want to leave enough room to dimension around it. So I don't want to put it way up here at the top where I wouldn't be able to dimension any of the parts. So I'll go about right here, and then same thing, I'm going to come back down, go out to the side, and it's going to give me my side projection. And then lastly, I can extend my part up into the upper left-hand corner, which is going to give me my isometric, and I'm going to click. So the boxes that you see right now, the 3 boxes on the screen, indicate where the top and side view and isometric view will be. I don't want to place any more views, so I'm going to right-click and click Create. All right. Once I click Create, you can see that it's given me the blueprints, or the drawing view of my part. It is complete with hidden lines and all the parts of the cube. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and jump into how to dimension this, and you guys can start dimensioning your keychains. See you soon.